My name is Vic Zatteray, and I am the Chief Technology Officer here at Happy Leaf, and also I would say the Chief Grower. We started Happy Leaf in 2014 because we saw an opportunity to create a high quality grow light that we could actually manufacture in the United States, in Northern Illinois in particular. What we saw in the market were two extremes for grow lights for people to use. On one end, there were very expensive commercial lights that the average person either couldn't afford or wouldn't want to use. And on the other side of the extreme is the lights that you buy from Amazon and Home Depot. Typically, they wouldn't allow you to grow plants to full maturity like we're doing and helping you do. We also feel it's important that we make our product in the United States versus just sourcing it in China, importing it, because we can make a higher quality light and we can make it cost effective because of our unique design as well. We build in relatively small batches, so as the technology improves in LEDs, we are constantly improving our product. And that's one of the reasons that we're able to provide all of our customers a 5-year warranty on our products. We are able to sell our lights directly to the end consumer. We don't have a lot of middlemen that puts their margins on it, making the lights much more expensive. So we're able to provide you a commercial quality light at a consumer level price. At the end of the day, what we'd like for you to know is that our passion, our mission is to make you a successful grower. By showing you the methods and the different types of things that you can grow, what basic tools that you need. And the light has always been the reason you couldn't do that. You can't do that with a fluorescent light. It's very difficult to do with the Chinese lights that you would buy on an Amazon or a Home Depot. And our lights were really designed working with professors at universities to really be optimized for plant growth and for food production. Everybody who we've worked with over the last 7 years has been very successful and are very happy. So our best customers are typically our previous customers. So that's what our mission is.